can convert sales quotes to an invoice. The same will apply to proposals as well. So we can go to quote section and select quote which we need to convert to an invoice, and we can click on 3 dots on the right hand side where is more actions available, and we can convert to an invoice. Also, we can click on actual quote and click on more actions here and convert to an invoice. Okay, now we can change or amend details if required, also add notes and terms and conditions and any attachments if we wish to. And on right hand side we can align settings as well as any other details for this particular customer or client. Once we are happy, we can send out to Sarah or we can save it. Okay, new invoice been created. So when we look there, new invoice is here, and I will mark that one as being sent. Okay. Next, when we go to our quotes, about project is the same way, convert to an invoice, not project proposal. We can convert this particular proposal to an invoice once we are happy with notes, terms, conditions, as well as settings for this invoice and particular details to Green Limited. We can send to Green Limited, and or I click this save, so this creates an invoice 008, and when we look here, invoice is there. We'll mark as sent because I haven't added an email. So this is a way how you can convert your quotes or proposals to an invoice on FreshBooks.